and Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Montgomery County, southern Miami County, southwestern Champaign County, northwestern Clark County, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over West Milton, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dayton, Springfield, Huber Heights, Troy, Trotwood, Vandalia, Englewood, Tip City, New Carlisle, West Milton, Northridge, St. Paris, Brown, Riverside, Clayton, Union, Brookville, Lebanon, Shiloh, and Phillipsburg. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 21 and 48. Interstate 75 in Ohio between mile markers 57 and 75. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.